Hi, I am Amit Lunkad from Sitabai Thite College of Pharmacy, Shirur. Here we discuss about the synthesis of benzyl alcohol. The synthesis of benzyl alcohol from benzaldehyde, which involves a Cannizzaro's reaction. So let's begin with this. Synthesis of benzyl alcohol from benzaldehyde, which involves a basic principle. The aromatic aldehyde, under the influence of strong aqueous or alcoholic alkali under simultaneous oxidation and reduction, yield the alcohol and the corresponding carboxylic salt. Thus, this disproportionation reaction is known as the Cannizzaro's reaction. So remember, the synthesis of benzyl alcohol from benzaldehyde is a type of or involvement of Cannizzaro's reaction. So in this video we discuss in detail about the mechanism by which there is a formation of benzyl alcohol from benzaldehyde, and this reaction is Cannizzaro's reaction. So here is a reaction in which the 2 moles of benzaldehyde reacts with hydroxide, gives benzyl alcohol and carboxylic salt, which is potassium salt of carboxylic acid. So here is the one molecule is get oxidized to carboxylic acid and the other one is reduced to an alcohol. So what is the actual reaction mechanism? So the mechanism of the reaction involves the production of anion in first step. This form anion transfer a hydride ion to a carbonyl carbon atom in another aldehyde molecule. The reaction sequence is completed by proton transfer and yield the carboxylic anion and the alcohol. This is a reflection of the fact that nucleophilic attack of the hydroxide ion takes place preferentially at the more electrophilic carbonyl carbon atom in aldehyde, and the reaction proceeds. So in next slide we discuss which are the different steps involved in this. So in first step there is a nucleophilic attack of hydroxide ion to carbonyl group of the benzaldehyde. In this, the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde which having a positive charge, because the oxygen which are having a more electronegativity, and due to that the carbon having a positive charge. So due to that it acts as a electrophile, and to this the hydroxide ion which acts as a nucleophile and attack to this carbonyl carbon atom, and it forms a anion. So this intermediate hydroxy alkoxide which acts as a hydride reducing agent, or which acts as a hydride donor to the second molecule of benzaldehyde. So as it transfers the hydride ion, this hydride ion to this second molecule of benzaldehyde, and while the hydride get transfers to the second molecule of benzaldehyde, here the oxygen, the lone pair of oxygen which are present, which get forms a bond here, and there is a formation of the carboxylic acid and the alkoxide. In next step there is transfer of a protons from this carboxylic acid to the hydroxide ions, and it forms a water molecule, and this water molecule which gives or which transfer the protons to this alkoxide, and due to that it forms a benzyl alcohol, and there is a formation of carboxylate ion. So that's it. Hope all of you getting this. Thank you very much, and happy learning.